So just a small video. Before, with the new orders, I actually sent some of my 3D printed logos with the orders in previous orders, not with all of them, but some of them where I sent this, they were actually printed with the glow in the dark filament, the white part. But I received some complaints about from a customer that his daughter got scared from this logo glowing in the dark. So right now they are printed with just white and black filament, no other, no glow in the dark or any other color. So let me know if you like this order when you order something, if you like to receive this logo or not, and if you like to receive it, tell me what you will do with this logo. I know that some people are actually sticking this logo on the toolbox together with other logos. One guy even told me that he will put my logo on his wallet when he receive a card like this, a promotional card. Tell me what you will do if you would like to receive it. So if I will send you one, you will get your things that you order for, like for example this order that they will go in France tomorrow. Yeah, you will get what you paid for, and you will get some extras. Sometimes in a bag of extra you will have some extras that you paid for, or some other things that are free from me. For example, this kind of artificial fingernail, or some extra screws. Yeah, you will have some spare screws for accessories, and together with that extras which are in that bag, you will have one of this logo. So that is the question. If you order from me, you would like to receive this logo or not? And if you like one, what you will do with them? What purpose they will serve with you? Yeah, so let me know in comments. Please be civilized in comments. It's just a small question, you don't need to be rude. So until next time, may the tool be with you, and see you next time. Bye.